Fashion savvy, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fashion savvy. This is a popular term used in everyday conversation, especially when talking about style and clothing. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to be fashion savvy. Fashion savvy refers to having a good understanding and knowledge of fashion. It's not just about following trends, but also about knowing what looks good and how to style different pieces together. A fashion-savvy person is seen as stylish, aware of fashion trends, and skilled at dressing well. Fashion. This word refers to styles and trends in clothing, accessories, and even makeup. Savvy. Savvy is an adjective meaning having practical knowledge or understanding of something. So, when combined, fashion savvy describes someone with a practical and informed understanding of fashion and style. She's really fashion savvy. She always knows what to wear for any occasion. To work in the fashion industry, being fashion savvy is a must. These examples show how the phrase can be used to complement someone's fashion sense or to describe a necessary skill. Stylish, fashion-forward, style-conscious. These are some terms that can be used interchangeably with fashion-savvy, but each has its own slight nuance. Being fashion-savvy is about more than just following the latest trends. It's about understanding style and having the knowledge to dress well. We hope this video helps you in your English language journey and adds a stylish phrase to your vocabulary. Happy learning and stay stylish!